Why are they swapping handbags? Hoops? Well, it stops trains crashing head-on. It's like holding a golden ticket. The hoops have a bag on the bottom which holds a token. The signalman hands over the token, giving the crew permission to travel to the next section. It's a quirky feature used for single-line operation. On the return journey, the crew hand back the token, proving the line's clear, and collects the next one to go on to the next section. This safety feature is crucial for the safe operation of the railway. Without them, accidents are highly likely. Let me know in the comments if you've seen these before and have wondered what they actually do.